today's video, we are going to identify and test the motors commonly used in all the photocopy machines. These are two motors. This motor is used to drive the scanner unit. It has 6 wires in it, and this is a motor used to drive the fixing unit. It has 4 wires. 4 wires means inside it has 2 coils. To test this motor, what to do is you just short the first set of 2 wires and try to rotate the shaft. If you feel some tight on the shaft, it means the coil is working good. And the same procedure, you just short the next set of wires and again try to rotate the shaft. It feels again tight. This motor is working good. This is a method to test the stepper motor. So you can apply the same technique to the next motor for testing. This is the main drive motor. This motor is used to drive the drum unit and developing unit. So to test this motor, you need to identify the wires. Look at the connector on the right side. Where all wires are indicated. You need to short the 2 VCC and DEC. So the 3 wires are shorted, and you take any of the ground and apply a positive voltage to the shorted wires and a negative voltage to the ground. After giving the supply, you can see the motor is perfectly rotating. That means this motor is working good. This is another mechanism, so another electromechanical device used in photocopier. This is a clutch and this is the solenoid. So we need to test this. First we need a 12 volt power supply. Look at the specification, and there was a voltage is specifically written. This is 24 volt. So it means it can handle maximum 24 volt. So we are going to test this. This is rotating freely now. So then we are going to apply some voltages. This is a 12 volt supply. After applying the voltage, the rotation becomes so tight. This is the function of this clutch. So you want to test this, you apply a volt on it. If you apply 24 volt, this become more tight. So this clutch is working good. The another one is solenoid. This is the same kind of mechanism. We are going to test this solenoid, and we are applying the 12 volt power to the 2 wires, and you can see that it is actuating because the magnetic flux is generating inside it, so the metal part is attracting to the center. This is the actual working of solenoid. This is the way to test the solenoid and the clutch. And you also observe this solenoid. If you found any kind of sticky things found in this surface, you need to remove this. Otherwise, the timing of the solenoid, it becomes slower and it causes some kind of paper jam and incorrect paper error showing in the photocopy machine. These are the 2 very important things adjusting the timing of the paper picking. So first we try to press the start button. Then there was a 24 volt is coming to this clutch, and the clutch will activate and clutch become more tight. Then the mechanism rotate, the clutch will also try to rotate with the help of the mechanism, and at the same time the solenoid will release the lock. Then the paper will drive to the drum unit. This is how the mechanism is working. So if any kind of timing delay happen to this area, it causes paper jam and other kind of error in this photocopy machine. So this is a very important thing. If you need to clean this, just open the clutch, and if you found any kind of rust in the surface, you just clean it and feedback. Okay, these are the two very important things.